cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have empirical, we have the circular. Mirror projection. It's like the cycle. Hertz was actually.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This we're not like, it's not a tell. That would just, I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
On the Dr. Phil show, how you give a story when you think good it was.
Look, if I told you how good it felt, we'd have to stop this interview. Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili.
Real good.
Cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
Did you? I heard you too. On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Strap on. This has to be one of the most incoherent. Please accept my advance apology.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. We're not like, this is not a telethon. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other or anything.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine